Omelette curry. A delicious Indian main course recipe. This recipe serves 3 to 4 servings. Preparation takes about 20 to 30 minutes. And cooking takes around 25 to 35 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 4 eggs, a quarter onion, 1 green chilies, 2 tablespoons cilantro, to taste salt, a quarter teaspoon black pepper, to 2-3 tablespoons oil, 3 tablespoons oil, a half teaspoon mustard seeds, a half teaspoon cumin seeds. Step 1. Prepare the omelettes. In a bowl, whisk together eggs, finely chopped onion, green chilies, cilantro, salt, and black pepper. Step 2. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan over medium heat. Pour a portion of the egg mixture to make a thin omelette. Cook until set and lightly browned on both sides. Repeat with the remaining egg mixture to make more omelettes. Step 3. Cut the omelettes into desired shapes, squares or triangles. Step 4. Prepare the curry. Heat the remaining oil in a pan over medium heat. Add mustard seeds and cumin seeds and let them splutter. Step 5. Add curry leaves and finely chopped onion. Sauté until the onion turns golden brown. Step 6. Add ginger garlic paste and sauté for a minute until the raw smell disappears. Step 7. Add tomato puree and cook until the oil separates from the masala. Step 8. Stir in turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, and garam masala. Sauté for another minute, adding a splash of water if the masala is sticking. Step 9. Pour in the water and bring the curry to a simmer. Add salt to taste and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes for the flavors to meld. Step 10. Gently add the cut omelette pieces to the simmering curry. Do not stir vigorously to prevent the omelette from breaking. Step 11. Cover the pan and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low heat, allowing the omelette to absorb the flavors. Step 12. Garnish with chopped cilantro and serve hot. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.